Children, how are you all? I hope all are fine and safe at your home. So children, this video is for class 6 math, chapter 3, playing with numbers, part 1. In the previous classes children, we have studied about factors, multiples, prime and composite numbers. Now in this chapter, we shall review the concepts and properties related to them and extend our study to include some new properties and relations. In this chapter, we will learn about types of numbers, division test, LCF and HCF. So children, first of all, in this part, we will learn about types of numbers, prime and composite numbers, multiples and common multiples. Okay. So let's move on. Types of numbers, even and odd numbers. 0 and multiples of 2 are called even numbers. You know about it, है ना? The other whole numbers are called odd numbers. Okay. So the numbers like 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on are even numbers, and the numbers 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 and so on are odd numbers. So children, we observe that every whole number is either an even number just like 0, 2, 4, 8 or so on, or an odd number just like 1, 3, 5, 7. Okay. So types of numbers. Write an even number greater than 0 and add 1 to it. Okay. 2 plus 1 is equals to children 3. 4 plus 1 is equals to 5. 6 plus 1 is equals to 7. 8 plus 1 is equals to 9. 10 plus 1 is equals to 11. So in all these cases, we observe that the sum of an even number and 1 is an odd number, which is the next greater number on the number line. Thus, any even number greater than 0 plus 1 is equals to the next greater number, which is an odd number. You can see this children. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, these all are even numbers. When we add 1 on it, then the answer will become odd number. Okay. So next is prime and composite numbers. Let us try to find the factors of sum of the whole numbers. Factor of 1 is, yes children, 1. Factors of 2 are 1 and 2. Factors of 3 are 1 and 3. Factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. Factors of 5 are 1 and 5. Factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Factors of 7 are 1 and 7. Factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Factors of 9 are 1, 3 and 9. Factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. So children, in the above table, we observe that 2, 3, 5 and 7 have only 2 factors. You can see this. 2, 3, 5 and 7 have only 2 factors. Hai? The number itself and 1. So, let's move on. Now, each of these are divisible by itself or by 1 and not by any other number. Just like 2 divided by 2 is equals to 1. 2 divided by 1 is equals to 2. And 7 divided by 7 is equals to 1. 7 divided by 1 is equals to 7. So, numbers which have only 2 factors, that is 1 and the number itself, are called prime numbers. What is prime number? Numbers which have only 2 factors, that is 1 and the number itself, are called prime numbers. And what is composite number? Numbers having more than 2 factors are called composite numbers. Notice 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. Okay. All even numbers except 2 are composite numbers. These are the note, है ना. So next is prime numbers, है ना. So finding prime numbers, arrange the numbers from 1 to 100 as shown below, है ना. So first step is cross out 1. Why 1? Because it is not a prime number. Then second step is encircle 2. Cross out all the multiples of 2. Then first of all circle the number 2, then cross out all the multiples of 2, है ना. Just like 4, 6, 8, 9, 8, 10, 12, 14, just like this, है ना. Then you will find that the next uncrossed number is 3. Then encircle 3 and cross out all the multiples of 3. Okay. Then other than 3 itself. Again we will do this. What? Encircle 3 and cross all the multiples of 3. Okay. Now step 4 is the next uncrossed number is 5. Encircle 5 again. We have to encircle number 5 and cross out all the multiples of 5 other than 5 itself. Okay. Then step 5 is continue this process till all the numbers in the list are either encircled or crossed out. Okay. You have to do this activity. Then after this all the encircled numbers are prime numbers. All the crossed out numbers other than 1 are composite numbers. Then this method is called the sieve of Eratosthenes. Okay. This method is called sieve of Eratosthenes. Do this activity in your notebook. Okay, children. This is the activity for you. Okay. Now there is a note for this. From the above list of prime numbers, we observe that every prime number is odd except 2, but every odd number need not be prime. Okay. So let's move on. Co-primes. Two numbers are said to be co-prime if they do not have a common factor other than 1. Pairs of co-primes are 2 and 3, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 8 and 13, or etc. Okay. There is also a note here. Any two prime numbers are always co-primes, but two co-primes need not be both prime numbers. For example, 14, 15 are co-primes, while none of 14 and 15 is a prime number. Okay. Now next is multiples and common multiples. Here children, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are counting numbers, है ना. When we multiply each counting number by 4, we will get 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 and 24, which are the first few multiples of 4. है ना. You can see this just like 4 ones are 4. This is first multiple of 4. 4 twos are 8. This is second multiple of 4. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 sixes are 24. These are the multiples, है ना. First 6 multiples of 4. Then when we multiply each counting number by 6, we will get 6, 12, 18, 24, 30 and 36, which are the first few multiples of 6. Here also 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36. Okay. Thus here multiple of a number is equals to the number multiplied by the counting number. 12 and 24 are the multiples of both 4 and 6. How? Here 4 3s are 12, 4 6s are 24. Here 6 2s are 12, 6 4s are 24. Here we found that 12 and 24 both in the table of 4 and 6. So they are called common multiples. So that's it for today, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.